top line. There's some box. That's what I use most of the time. All top line. So you can see, got the top, second, and the oil rings. Lay it down here. A bag of biscuits. Filling up the cookie box. All right. Over here, I have my guide on how to position the pistons on this. This is a 1.6 GDI. So I take one. You say the part that is facing the front, which is the notch to the front. This is the notch. You can see it. That faces towards the front of the engine. So what we need to do is we start from the oil rings. So it comes in 3 parts. It has one, the spring itself, and it has the 2 control plates surrounding it. So we know that particular one needs to be facing and we carefully use our pick and carefully work it around. Until we get to the desired section, which is the bottom. So we got it at the bottom. So it's at the bottom, facing the side. Side. And this is our second ring. Always keep them so you can see them properly. And when you put this, always if it has a writing on them, usually what I know is the part that has a writing on it. Any kind of writing should face the top. You have a little groove here that needs to go the opposite side. This is the front, so the second ring is facing where the notch goes. And then the top ring, we go in the opposite direction. Yeah, like this one has the rider on the top. So you're gonna have it facing the top. Facing the opposite direction. There you go. So our first piston is fully assembled with rings, and we go to the second one. So I'm not going to shoot all the videos for each one, so I just wanted to show you guys on the first one. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them here, and then we start installing them. Alright, we're going to attempt to install our first piston. We'll take some clean engine oil, rub around this, like this. Going to start with cylinder 1. Cylinder 1, the one all the way to the front. So we need to open this up a little more. Alright. Make sure the dotted line is facing forward. Gotta make sure of that. Get it as flat as possible in here. Close as possible. Very nicely tight. So we know we got all the pistons compressed in. All right. Take some oil, clean engine oil. Rub here. There's some assembly oil. Some of that. All right. It's in the right way. Make sure we got it nicely. Boom. It's in. So we got it in. Walk it down. All right. Got it all the way down. I'm gonna go to the back, put the cap on. I'm gonna set all of them in before I go ahead and torque it. That's one. Rotate. See it? At the bottom.